What is an LLC membership certificate? And how to fill it? Do you own a limited liability company? If so, then you are required to have an LLC membership certificate. This is the only way that members of your LLC will be able to prove that they are LLC members. What is an LLC membership certificate? An LLC membership certificate is a document that states who the members of an LLC are. In other words, it's a way to prove whether you own a membership interest in your business or not. It also helps determine how much overall profits will be split up among all shareholders and directors, if applicable. The LLC membership certificate should list the limited liability company's name, the state in which it is registered, and the membership interests of each member. The membership interest will be represented as a percentage or a fraction. If you are an owner of an LLC, it's important to have a copy of your LLC membership certificate on file. This document can be used to prove your membership interest in the event that there is a dispute or legal action taken against the LLC. How do you fill out an LLC membership certificate? To fill out an LLC membership certificate, you will need to gather information about the company and its members. The following steps will walk you through the process of making membership certificates. First, start by gathering information about the LLC, including its name, state of registration, and agent. You will also need to know the membership interests of all members, represented as a percentage or fraction. Next, fill out the membership certificate form. Be sure to list the company's name, state of registration, and registered agent at the top of the form. Then, under Membership Interests, list each member's name and membership interest, represented as a percentage or fraction. Now, sign and date the membership certificate. Finally, have all members sign and date the membership certificate. Keep in mind that you may need to have your LLC membership certificate notarized by a public notary. What's included in LLC membership certificates? When issuing LLC membership certificates, they must include the following information: the company name and its state. This is easy enough to find out by looking at your LLC operating agreement or articles of organization. However, it will also help you if there are multiple LLCs in a single location, because then you can tell which one sent this document. The name and address of the LLC member. This is pretty self-explanatory, but just in case, make sure to include both the first and last name as well as the mailing address. The ownership interest percentage. It has been assigned to this specific LLC member. This will be a decimal number followed by a percentage sign. For instance, if you own 50% of the LLC, your membership interest percentage would be 50. The effective date of this certificate. This is usually the day that the document is signed or written. Signature lines for all members. Make sure to get everyone's signature on this document. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty. Time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.